Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make Cup Chirashi Sushi. In Japan, Hinamatsuri Doll Festival is held in March. Hinamatsuri is a special time to pray for the happiness and growth of Japanese girls. On that day, we decorate Hina dolls and eat Chirashi-Zushi, garnished sushi. I've made Chirashi-Zushi recipe before, but this time it's a simple Chirashi-Zushi adapted from Soboro Donburi, so it's easy. I have Soboro Donburi recipe in my channel as well, so I put a link around here. So please also take a look. As always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as a helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so the cup chirashi sushi is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. It looks very gorgeous and easy to eat. It has 3 layers: chicken soboro, denbu, and egg soboro. It brings appetite. I like salmon roll. Who likes salmon roll? Please comment down below. Actually, it's a little bit pricey, even in Japan, so I don't eat Soboro a lot, but Hinamatsuri is very important and annual event, so why not? Edamame also brings good texture. It's all well balanced and it's so delicious. And my children love this. It's like a sushi version parfait. Do you celebrate Girls' Festival or a Children's Festival in your country? Please tell me. And if you use a cup like this, it's good for home party situation. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip to make egg soboro. The mayonnaise is optional. However, it will make the eggs so fluffy. And tip, when making soboros, please use at least 4 chopsticks and stir very well. And tip, when you put 3 kinds of rice in a cup, don't push. Please put softly so that children can eat easily. So those are the recommendations and tips for today's menu. How was Cup Chirashi-Zushi recipe? I hope you recreate this recipe and have a fun and memorable Hinamatsuri time, same as Japan. And if you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduced easy and simple and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby meals and kids meals, and also desserts. Your like button motivates me to create new recipe videos, so don't forget to push the like button down below. We will see you next time. Bye bye!